Hi YouTubers, it's me again, Ninja123. I did a cool glitch on Animal Jam, and like I'm invisible. I don't know how, and I don't know why I'm invisible. So here you go. See, this is me right here. I'm invisible, and I'm a member. And look, you want to see it? And look, we're gonna go here. Still invisible. And look, see if I click switch animals, I can't switch. I don't know how the freak it happened, but essentially it happened. I can't exit. If you want to learn this cheat code, please visit me and please leave your email address and I'll teach you how to do it. Thanks. See ya!